Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the inaugural 2026 Kevco Modeling Build-Off. And now your host, Kevin Hayes. Holy crap, guys. I guess we are going to do it, huh? I had over 100 people yesterday say they are interested in the station wagon build-off, so here's the quick and dirty on it. If you look at the description in this video, there is a list of all the rules that I put together. You can see if you want to take part in it. And below that list is a link to a Facebook group that I put together. We can do all of our communication and everything there. Now, I will send out a bunch of mass invites, but you can click the link if you want to check it out. I also posted this on my YouTube channel. If you're just a YouTube guy and you don't do Facebook, it's going to be hard for you to participate because you need to be in the group. So I'm sorry about that. It just makes handling everything easier. The time frame will be August 1st through January 1st. That gives us 5 solid months to deal with whatever life's going on, honey-do list. We got the IPMS Nats coming up next month, or you might have other builds on there. The idea of this is to have fun. We can use any automotive station wagon kit, styrene or resin cast, no 3D printed bodies. And I don't want like novice or beginners, or if you're feeling gun shy about doing something in a build off, to feel intimidated, because that is not what this is about. It's more about putting your personality into the build, emphasis more on style. Like I said in the feeler video, technique is nothing but failed style. That's what I want to see. I think the wagons are cool because it kind of pushes people in a different direction. And a lot of times we don't know if we like something unless we try it on. So check out the info, description, the group, everything else. This is my first time doing this, so I'm sure that we will have some stumbles. I'll do my best to make everything flow smooth. We'll work out awards or classes or whatever I might do once I get a gauge of how many people are taking part in it. But I think it's going to be fun, guys. And thank you for all the response. This is my little community now, and what better way than to build something, right?